Hello guys, welcome to my channel. When you understand that social structure is designed in such a way so as to instinct pain in you, most of the times when you are interacting with the social society at a large, you come to know that everybody want to interrogate you. Okay, everybody want to know about you. Everybody wants to have an understanding about you. Why he does this kind of an understanding? Why the other person wants to know about you when you are interacting in the social atmosphere? Because he want to do a kind of comparison. Okay, he runs a kind of a comparison campaign within himself. What is this comparison campaign all about? He does the other person is higher than me in financial aspects? This is the first combination of a comparison. Okay, this is called a superior comparison. He analyzes whether the other person is superior to him. This is the first thing which he does. And the second thing what he does is that he says that does the other person which I am trying to compare is equal to me in any aspects like education or a family background or the wealth he has earned. Okay, and the third kind of a comparison is that is the other person lower than me in any of the aspects? Maybe it is financial, physical, education and overall, or wiseness. So when he does this comparison, superior comparison, when he finds the other person is superior than him, so he feels very depressed and low. Okay, but at the same time, when he sees that the other person is similar to him, what he gets is that he does not have any great feeling for the other person. He does not receive him well maybe, but he'll be normal with him. Okay, but when he finds that the other person is lower than him in financial aspects or physical aspects or outer aspects of life, what he does is that he gains a huge amount of pleasure while looking at that person. He feels more comfort in connecting with that guy. Okay, because he feels in somewhere or other he's superior than that other person. So in the society, when you see the people who are wealthy, what happens is that they attract a lot of jealousiness. Why they attract a lot of jealousiness is that because every time when people go to him, they try to compare his wealth with him. This is the only comparison which people usually do. People don't look at the person as such, but what they do is this: they do this kind of a small idea or a small thing. They usually start comparing their wealth with the other person, and their aspiration is always doing this wealth comparison. So now what happens is that when you compare the other person's person with you only on the basis of wealth or maybe position, what happens is that there's a huge amount of jealousiness which is coming up, and there is a huge amount of competitiveness which is coming up. So what happens? What subsides in it? What subsides is that you'll never be able to connect with the other person on the basis of love. Okay, see, the basis of connecting in that society at a large should be on the love. I should be able to connect with him on basis of love. What could I give in that relationship? Not that what could I take in that relationship. But once you fall into this category of comparison, comparing with people like superior comparison, equal comparison and low comparison, what happens is that you can never connect with the other person with love. Subtly, your brain design is that it starts doing comparison with a person who comes and talk with you or comes in conversation with you. But right now, after watching this video, if you want to stop this comparison, eliminate these rules of comparing yourself with other person. Why I'm telling you is because this is a large ocean. There is a large ocean, okay, and we are just like waves which are coming up out of the ocean. So one wave may rise very high, okay, and one wave may rise very medium, and one wave may rise very less, but all the waves are a part of the ocean. If one wave start comparing himself with the other wave, what happens? What does the ocean thinks about all these stupid comparisons which we do? Ocean does not have any comparison because everything is rising from him itself. So you also are a parcel of entire cosmos, and we are the part of the same source. So if you do comparison with ourselves, who will be at unrest? We are the only person who will be at unrest when you do such kind of little comparison. This is called small mind thinking. So eliminate the small mind thinking and have a great thinking for yourself and the people around you, and connect with them with huge amount of love. Then you will see you're a part of this entire cosmos. So this is Umakant Reddy, your life coach. We'll catch up in my next videos. Shoot up, guys.